Description: rich and repairing transformative daily conditioner gives coarse, unruly, fragile and damaged hair a power dose of hydration, shine and strength. Benefits: strength and shine. Nourish, strengthen and seal cuticles. Suggested use: apply to wet hair from mid-length to ends. Leave on 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse. BLEU point of difference. Editorial edge and salon styling merge in this groundbreaking range of consciously created, sustainably developed luxury hair care. R+Co BLEU is a couture collection of essential products created for all hair types and textures. Informed by the R+Co Collective's decades of knowledge and know-how, it is dedicated to visionary beauty and timless style. R+Co BLEU harnesses leading-edge scientific innovation and proprietary technology to deliver transformative results. The formulas bring glamour, sophistication and unparalleled quality to daily hair care. Top reviews from the United States. Love. As per my other reviews of the R+Co line, these are professional-grade products, you get what you pay for. The scent of this conditioner is lovely. I adore masculine scents. I am a big fan of the unisex smells. This is not too overpowering either. I use this after R+Co BLEU De Luxe Reparative shampoo as I feel I get optimal results with this combo. My hair smelt and felt great after just one use. My hair was a little frazzled after bleaching the life out of it during the start of COVID. I let the conditioner sit in my hair for a minimum of 5 minutes as I feel that 1 to 2 minutes is not long enough for my hair. My hair felt soft and manageable after just one use and smelled amazing.